Exclaim with care, avoiding exclamation mark pitfalls. Hello language learners. Welcome back to our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're going to focus on a small but mighty punctuation mark, the exclamation mark. Specifically, we'll explore the topic of using exclamation marks inappropriately. Exclamation marks can add excitement and intensity to our writing, but misusing them can lead to confusion or can even make our writing appear unprofessional. Let's dive in and learn how to use them correctly. An exclamation mark is used to express strong emotion, surprise, or to emphasize a point. It turns a simple sentence into a declaration filled with enthusiasm or emotion. For example, compare, "I love pizza," with, "I love pizza." The exclamation mark in the second sentence helps convey a strong emotion of love for pizza. But be careful. Using too many exclamation marks can dilute their impact. Use them sparingly for them to have their intended effect. One of the most common mistakes is using exclamation marks in formal writing. While they can express strong emotions, exclamation marks are often considered too informal for professional or academic contexts. It's generally better to express intensity or urgency using strong vocabulary rather than relying on this punctuation mark. A misuse example would be, "This issue needs immediate attention." Instead, you can write, "This issue warrants immediate attention," to maintain a professional tone. While exclamation marks can add intensity or surprise to a sentence, overusing them can lead to your writing appearing overly enthusiastic or even chaotic. This can also diminish the impact of each individual exclamation mark. Remember, exclamation marks are like hot spices. A little goes a long way. Misuse example, "I'm so excited. I can't wait to see you." Correct usage, "I'm so excited. I can't wait to see you." Another common misuse of exclamation marks is using them in questions. In English, questions should typically end with a question mark, not an exclamation mark. Misuse example, "Where are you going?" Correct usage, "Where are you going?" However, there's an exception, the interrobang, which indicates a question asked in extreme surprise or disbelief. But remember, it's still rarely used in formal writing. And that's it for today's lesson. Remember, the exclamation mark is a powerful tool when used appropriately, but misuse can confuse your readers or seem unprofessional. Keep practicing, and soon it'll be second nature to use exclamation marks correctly. Stay tuned for more English grammar lessons, and keep those language skills shining. Until next time, happy learning!